Kendriya Vidyalaya Chuda Chandpur presenting online art exhibition of year 2021 with a few but best art students of Vidyalaya. Starting from the toddlers, first is Son Joel, very capable and real artist, sincere in all subjects. Next is Pao Milnun, he has clarity of coloring and drawing both. In Sannam, know the correct way to shade with colors. From class 4, here is Ansel, who likes sketching and always choose tough drawings to practice. Next is Kaiman Lun, a very moody child but always draws with perfection. From class 5, for Thang Sang Mung, teacher's wish is his command, very capable and intelligent student. Vaishnavi is also sound in drawing and always tries to learn more. Krisha is an all-rounder, good in singing and other subjects also. Kim Lian Ching is from class 6, a very hard-working and sincere student, likes to learn all mediums of art. Vaibhav is good in taking commands and tries to learn new things. Utkarsh from same class likes sketching and is on the way of perfection. Shintho is again an all-rounder and is very efficient artist too. Digisha also tries her best to learn all mediums and topics of art. Tejesh is very capable and can copy like a professional artist. Bliss has her own standard of experimentation in different coloring and shading mediums. From same class, Mayank Barne is very jolly, creative and a sincere student. Thang Sang Lian from class 10 likes to draw less but intelligently, good in making impression drawings and writing quotations. Arpita always tries to prove herself whenever an art competition comes to her way. Next is Thang John, is an introvert but a brilliant artist. Also works like a professional, can copy wallpapers of animes and very sound in pencil shading too. Last is Martin from the list. He is brilliant in watercolors, likes to paint landscapes and do pencil sketches also. In the last, with the quotation, I would like to give an end to the show, that is, art makes us breathe with happiness. Thank you and have a good day.